Find the mean of the distribution of marks 25 students in a class. Okay, mean means average. First we need to identify the total marks. First 12 into 6, 72. Marks are 12 but number of students 6 means what is the total marks? 72. That is the 72 marks is total marks of 6 students or only one? 6 students. Second one 14 marks and each student 14 marks means 8 students 2 marks. Third one each student 16 marks, 3 students 48 marks are. And 18 5 is how much? 90. 23 is 60 are. All these are adding, we are get the total marks of all the 25 students or only one student. 25 students. 90 plus 60, 150. 48 plus 72, 120. 120 plus 150, 270. 270 plus 112, 382. That is distributed 4 students or only one. All the 25 students. Divide by 25. Divide by 25. This one we written 382 by 25 means we written 100 by 4. Means numerator is multiplied by 4 times. 4 into 382. End with 8. That is 1528. Huh? What is the 382 double? 764 double 1528. అక్కడ 350 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉందంటే 4 టైమ్స్ చేస్తే మోర్ దాన్ 1400 ఉంటుందనే కదా. 382 it is more than 375. 375 double 750. 750 double 1500. Then the answer must be more than 1500. Next 52. First right hand side square root, it will become left hand side square. What is the 24 square? 576. What is the 27 square? 729. Then 1 minus x by 729, that is equal to 576 by 729. This one we written 729 minus 576 by 729 equal to x by 729. 729 729 cancel. End with 3 means that is 153. Next 53. Which are the following value of x satisfy the equation 5 power x minus 2 into 7 power 4x minus 9, that is equal to 1715. First of all, what is the right hand side value? 1715. That is 5 multiple. How many times? 5 how many times? 3, 4, 300. 343. 5 means written 5 power 100. మాట్లాడండి. 343 means 7 power 300. Okay. What is the left hand side? 5 power x minus 2. Right hand side 5 power 1 means x minus 2 equal to 1. X equal to 3. Second one also same or different? Same. What is the left hand side? 7 power 4x minus 9. Right hand side 7 power 3. 4x equal to 12. X equal to 3. Next 54. X is to y equal to 4 is to 1. Then what will be the value of x square plus 2y square is to 3x square minus 2y square. What is the x value? 4. 4 square 16. 2y square means 2. 16 plus 2 18. First term is 9 multiple. How many options? Only one. Next 55. Triangle PQR is a which one? Right angle triangle at Q. Angle R equal to 60. Find the value of cot P minus 1 by 2. Right angle at Q means Q value is how many degrees? 90. Next P R is already given 60. Means P value 30. What is the question here? Cot P minus 1 by 2 means cot 30 or not? What is the cot 30? Root 3 minus 1 by 2 or not? Root 3 minus 1 by 2 means this one we written 2 root 3 minus 1 by 2 or not? Then answer third option or not? What is the cot P value? Root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 means this one we written 2 root 3 minus 1 by 2. Next question number 56. What is the ratio of the loss percentage of article D and discount percentage of article C? Loss percentage of article D. What is the article D cost price? 120. Selling price 90. Loss 30 upon 120 means 1 by 4 means 25%. Next, article C discount percentage. What is the article C market price? 250. Selling price 175. Discount 75. Discount percentage 75 upon 250 means that is 3 times means what is the discount percent? 30%. What is the ratio? 5:6. Discount is always calculated on market price. Profit or loss is always calculated on cost price. Next question number 57. The average of 25 numbers is how much? 35. If 26th number is included, then average becomes 37. What is the 26th number? We require 26th number. Means we required added number or joined value or left value. Joined value. That joined value we return new average plus increased sum. What is the new average? 37 plus increased sum means what is the before average? 35. What is the new average? 37. Every value, how much value are increased? 2. Per value 2 increased. Total how many numbers are increased? 25 numbers. 2 into 25. 50 or not? Before adding the 26th number, how many numbers are there? 25 numbers. Each number is how much? 35. After adding 26th number, each number becomes 37. Means every position is increased by 2. Then total 25 positions, how much value are increased? 50. That 50 is added to which one? 37. What is the answer? 87. Next question number 58. Amin and Karan starts from Delhi and Gwalior respectively towards each other at the same time. They meet at Madura and then take 169 minutes and 196 minutes respectively to reach the Gwalior and Delhi. If the speed of the Amin is 28 km per hour, then what is the speed of the Karan? And first of all, both are moving in which direction? Opposite direction. After meeting, one is reached the destination in how many minutes? 169 minutes. After meeting, another one reached the destination 196 minutes. What is the formula? After meeting, one will be reached the destination 169 minutes. Another one 196 minutes. What is the formula written? S1 by S2 that is equal to square root of T2 by T1. What is the meeting concept? After meeting, one will be reached the destination T1, another one T2. It is considered T1 and this one are T2 minutes. S1 by S2 equal to square root of T2 14 by 13. What is the 14 parts value? 28. What is the 13 parts value? 26. Next question number 59. A can do a piece of working in 6 days, working 5 hours a day, while B can do the same work in 9 days, working 4 hours a day. If the work has to be completed in 8 days, how many hours do they need to work together in a day? 6 into 5 how much? 30. Means A can complete the whole work in how many hours? 30 hours. B can do the same work per day 4 hours. 9 days means 36 hours. Okay, A alone 30 hours and B alone 36 hours, sir. What is the together value? 30 into 36 by 66, sir. We know the A alone and we know the B alone, but we required A and B together means we return product by sum or product by difference. Product by sum. Then we are get the number of hours, sir. Number of hours. But the work get completed in how many days? 8 days. Means divide by 8. We are get the per day hours, sir. Yes, sir. No. Divide by 8. We are get the per day hours, sir. 4 how many times? 9. 4 how many times? 2. 2 again 15. And 3 3s are 3 22. Then remaining value 45 by 22. 45 by 22 means second option. A alone can complete a work in how many hours? 30 hours. B alone 36 hours. Together means product by sum or product by difference. Product by sum means we are get the number of hours. Divide by 8 we are get the per day number of hours for per day number of hours. Next 60. A group of boys, an average weight is 36 kgs. One boy weighing 42 kgs left the group. Another boy weighing 24 kgs are joined the group. If the average now becomes how much? 33. How many boys are there in the group? First group of members average is how much? 36. One will be left, another one are added. After adding that person, the average becomes how much? 33. What is the question here? How many boys are there in the group? Initial number of boys are required. There is no change in total strength. There is no change in total strength. What is the original average? 36. What is the new average? 33. Means n persons average are 36. Again the same n persons average are 33. How much average are decreased? 3 decreased. 1 person 3 decreased. N persons 3n means minus 3n or plus 3n? Minus 3n. That is some decreased or some increased? Some decreased. Or what is the previous average? 36. What is the present average? 33. Every position how much value are decreased? 3 decreased. N positions 3n means that 3n is the difference between the original sum and new summer. Yes or no? It is also represents difference between joined person value and left person value. What is the left person value? 42. What is the joined value? 24. Because left person value is more than the joined value means average sum will be decreased. Average also decreased. That 3n it is represents which one? Joined left person value minus joined person value. 42 minus 24. What is the difference? 18. 3n equal to 18. N equal to 6. Next question number 61. A sum of money is invested at compound interest payable annually. The interest 2 successive years is 600 and 690. Find the rate of interest. Generally, first year compound interest 100. Second year compound. Suppose rate of person 10% means what is the second year compound interest? 100 plus 10. Okay. But this one we written another way. First year 100. What is the 10% of 100? 10. 100 plus 10. 110. Again second year. 10% of 110. 11. 110 plus 11. 121. That 121 which year interest? Third year interest. Okay. Again 10% of 121. 12.1. 121 plus 12.1. 133.1. That is which year interest? Fourth year interest. What is the second year interest here? 600. What is the third year interest? 690. How much value are increased? 90. That 90 is calculated on previous year. Yes or no? 90 upon which one? 600 multiplied by 100. What is the percentage? 15%. Successive years are different years. Successive years are. What is the second year interest? 110. What is the third year interest? 121. How much value are increased? 11. 11 upon 110. How much percent? 10%. 62. Anyone need? 63. In a camp there was sufficient food for 100 people for how many days? 27 days. After 25 days, 80 people are left the camp. For how many extra days? How many extra days will the rest of the food last for the remaining people? Okay. Actually 100 people. Food is sufficient for how many days? 27 days. After 25 days means 100 people already 25 days, sir. Means remaining food is the same 100% for how many days, sir? 2 days, sir. Actually 100% food is sufficient for 27 days. In the 25 days are completed means what is the remaining? 2 days, sir. The same 100% the remaining food is sufficient for how many days? 2 days, sir. Means we return 100% 2 days food. That is remaining food or total food? Remaining food. And after 25 days how many persons are left? 80%. What are the remaining persons? 20% or not? 20%. For how many extra days will the rest of the food last for the remaining people? What are the remaining people? 20% or not? Okay. What is the remaining food? 100 into 2. The same food is sufficient for 20% for how many days or not? Into T. 20 how many times? 5 times. T equal to how much? 10 days or not? Actually remaining food is sufficient for how many days? 2 days. But here 10 days. How much time are extra taken? 8 days, sir. What is the question here? How many extra days? What is the answer? 8 days, sir. Actually remaining food is sufficient for 2 days. But next time the same remaining food for how many days are there? 10 days. Means how much time are extra taken? 8 days.